Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index, actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 19 July 2024, Nifty index opened slightly negative, and after the swings in the initial half of the session, bulls were in complete action and drove it to a fresh all-time high of 24,837. It formed a strong bullish candle and closed with gains of around 200 points. India VIX was slightly up by 2% to 14.5 levels. Now, volatility slightly inched higher but is comparatively at its lower zones, which is comforting the bulls to add momentum. Nifty put-call ratio rose to 1.4. Lower volatility along with a rising PCR suggests that smart recovery is visible and absorption at any small declines. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,200. while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 5,484 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 2,904 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 80.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,750 for a fresh up move towards 25,000 and 25,150, while support is placed at 24,650, then 24,500. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 52,250 for the next up move towards 53,000 and 53,350. While on the downside, support is seen at 52,250, then 52,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in some of the IT, banks and FMCG names, while some profit booking in metal, general industries and some of the pharma stocks. Now, stocks to keep on radar from the auto and auto ancillary pack, we have Apollo Tyre and Motherson, which looks quite positive. Next is Chola Finance and Bajaj Finserv, which is coming out of its range and looking quite positive. Bharti Airtel and Indus Tower is also next on the cards. From the IT space, we have Bsoft, HCL Tech, Persistent, TCS and TechM showing consistent long build-up over here. Next, we have Godrej, CP, Hindustan Unilever, Marico and Tata Consumer from the FMCG space. Next, India Cement and SBI looks quite positive for the next week as well. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely weekend ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.